What's something people don't know about Tether? They're diving into the oil business. In a game-changing move, Tether has financed its first Middle Eastern crude oil deal. Completed in October, this deal facilitated the loading and transportation of 670,000 barrels of crude oil. That's right, 670,000 barrels. Worth a jaw-dropping $45 million. This isn't just a big deal for Tether, it's a seismic shift for global commodity trading. By backing this deal, Tether is stepping firmly into the world of physical assets. And it's not just any step, it's a giant leap. Crypto enthusiasts, imagine the possibilities. With Tether's involvement, we could see more stability and transparency in commodity trading. This could pave the way for even more crypto-backed physical asset transactions. So, what does this mean for you? It means Tether isn't just about stablecoins anymore. They're pushing the envelope, and who knows what's next. Stay tuned, because Tether is on a roll, and the future of crypto is looking brighter than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto updates.